How's everybody doing out there today? Good old friendly Cat Daddy's here again with a huge update. As you can see, we got a big old box sitting right here next to me. I've been waiting days for this puppy. Now you all know that I love computers, and we all know that I love updating my computer when I can find the best stuff for it. So today we are going to be, bear with me here, we're going to be talking about the new thing that's going to be going in. A lot of you probably would already know what this could be. Some don't. But today, my brand new Evga FTW3 Ultra Geforce RTX 3090 Ti came in. Now this puppy, this can do everything. It's great for gamers, but from what I've read and everything that I've looked into, this thing can just do it all. It's insane what this thing can do. It's got AI performance, enhanced RT cores, tensor cores, and new streaming multiprocessors. The Geforce RTX 3090 is colossally powerful in every way, giving you the whole new tier performance. It's powered by NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which doubles down on ray tracing. And like I said before, the AI performance, enhanced RT cores, tensor cores, and new streaming processors. Key features of this is the second gen ray tracing cores, third gen tensor cores. It's a PCI Express Gen 4. It's got Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate. It's a GDDR6 graphics memory, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA G-Sync, NVIDIA GPU Boost, NVIDIA NW-Link. It's SLI ready. It's got game ready drivers. Vulkan RT API, OpenGL 4.6, HDCP, VR ready. It's got a display port 1.4, supports 4K 120 Hz HDR, 4K 8K 60 Hz HDR, and variable refresh rate as specified, and HDMI 2.1. Let's see. New streaming multiprocessors improved throughout the efficiency versus the prior gen for a huge leap in performance. It's got new ray tracing cores, deliver greater throughout and efficiency for a whole new level of ray tracing performance. New tensor cores massively boost gaming performance with DLSS and enable new AI capabilities. The GeForce Platinum platform highlights game-ready drivers and NVIDIA Studio drivers, in case you are also, like me, a content creator, trying to, or you like to play video games on your computer. It can do both, so it's great. And then GeForce Experience companion software easily delivers the latest drivers, optimal settings, and new features. NVIDIA Shadow Play lets you capture and share your best gaming moments. So for all you gamers out there, I'm sure you guys already know, but you can download some of their features off NVIDIA, and it will allow you to broadcast your game playing and whatever you like to do. It doesn't have to be game playing if that's not your thing. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in there. I mean, this thing alone in the box is a beast. It's heavy, so I don't know, it might have a little bit of a sag. I'm really hoping it doesn't. I know they always say, you know, it doesn't sag in your case and all this, but yeah, they said that about the 3060, and yeah, it sags. So have to figure that out later on. In case I need to get a... Alright, so in the box, we have... the E-leash. The FTW3 retention bracket. And the PCI 16, you know, your PCI hookups. I'm gonna have to look into this E-leash thing. Not really sure what that all entitles. Ooh, it's got a nice, comes with instructions on how to hook it up. See, oh, hardware installation. Turn off your computer and disconnect the power cord. I think we all know that. If you don't, probably shouldn't be putting computers together. It is very important to wait until graphics card has cooled down before taking the card out of the system. Remove the slot covers that correspond to the PCIe slots you are installing the graphics RTX 3090 in. There was no existing graphics card. Well, we're not doing that. We're going to put this in the main one. Yeah, and it just basically gives you an idea on how to hook it all up. I'm not really sure. Optimal. Install the E-leash to the graphics card bracket while the case other end of the E-leash is mounted at a point below the top of your case. Okay. Yeah. Not really sure what the heck that's supposed to do, but I guess we can look into that. You can either hook it up to a display port or HDMI. It's got, let's see. Let's pull it out. Ooh, comes with a fancy little sticker add-on. Like everything else does. Oh, this thing is heavy. Jesus. Either that or I'm getting weaker in my age. But here is the graphics card. This thing is huge. And like I said, it's heavy. I mean, I'd say this thing weighs more than 5 freaking pounds. Let's get it out of the bag. And get a better look at this beautiful piece of machinery here. Oh yeah. No, that's real nice. It's got 3 fans for your cooling. Got kind of a weird smell to it. I hope that's just the new graphics card smell. You know, like when you buy a new car, you get that new car scent. I hope this isn't a used one that I just got screwed on. I mean, it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's brand spanking new. I don't know who went and peeled some of the stickers off of it though, or not the stickers, but the plastic on there. Let's take a good look at this. Go and peel all this crap off. As always, you always gotta have all this stuff on there. Make sure you get the plastic off. The last thing you want is that melting down to it. That would be horrible. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. So like I said, it's only got one HDMI slot in there and the rest are all display ports, which, that's fine. I only need the one, I only have one HDMI. Here's the protective cover, make sure you get that off, otherwise you ain't gonna be able to plug it in. Well, unlike the 3060, it doesn't have a performance or a quiet mode on there. It's just, how do I say this, balls to the walls, no matter what. There's no difference. You're getting everything you get out of this card. So, yeah, get all the plastic off, which can be a pain in the rear end, but like I said, make sure you get it all off. You don't want this card heating up in your system and melting the plastic to it. Oh yeah, that's always a nice, good feeling. I love when it all comes off in one go. So, and then I know for sure this all right here lights up when it's all plugged in and set for. I can see the heat pipes in there. Looks like we might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heat pipes. Yeah, it's got 7 heat pipes. That's a lot. Like I said, it's a heck of a lot more than what my 3060 has. So what do you guys say? We take a moment, figure out if this thing is really gonna, let's see. Oh yeah, it'll fit in there perfectly fine, thank God for that. That would really suck if, you know, I bought a brand new graphics card, it didn't fit in the box, or the case for that matter. We're gonna set this back down here. Go ahead and shut down the computer, like they tell us to. And then, let's see, let's go ahead and open these packages. Figure out what's all in there. More plastic. So these are your PCI slots. I'm assuming these all 3 hook up to the graphics card. Let's see. Oh no. 1 hookup for the graphics card. They give you a nice little cable thing. Cable management. I don't know why that just did that. You shut down your PC, and any other people using your PC could lose unsafe work. I'm the only one using this computer. Shut down. Alright, so I don't know what that is, but let's go ahead and we can get this set. Yep. So it looks like I'm going to end up having to take out, yeah, I'm going to have to pull out the other cables from my power supply unit, get those hooked into the back of the power supply, because this bad boy takes 3 hookups, which doesn't surprise me. This is, like I said, this is a beast of a machine right here. So go ahead and put this down here. That way nothing gets hurt. That'd be a sad day in hell if I broke it. Alrighty. And then with that we have, this is the E-leash bracket. Or part of the E-leash bracket. Not sure how this little measly bracket is going to hold it up, but we'll see. We'll find out, I guess. All I can do is hope for the best. That's it. And that. Oh! Glad I did that, because there were more screws in that bag, so when you do get one of these, make sure you check everything, because there were screws in that bag, little tiny ones. And for the E-leash installation kit, that all has it's got a fan attach, chassis attach, and an Allen key set. God, I am sick of Allen key sets. If anybody has ever hooked up and put anything together in this day and age, you should know what I'm talking about. Everything now is an Allen key. which I don't ever use. I always get my drill out and do it. But for something like this, we're not going to use a drill on. No, sir. Too nice of a machinery. So, with that, we're going to get everything set and ready and get this puppy pulled apart and the old card out for the new card. I'll figure out how that bracket goes on. Not really sure where that even goes on this dang thing. The way the pictures showed it, it showed it being down here. Again, I don't know how that all works, but normally they have instructions for this kind of stuff, and I don't even see instructions. So we'll get it all figured out. Like I said, I'll get the beast all opened up, get the cords out. I have the extra cords here in my side bag here from when I first got the PSU, or power supply unit, and we'll go from there. And when I come back, hopefully this puppy will be easy to install. Thanks for coming out. Later.